Good morning to all of you. I am Somshekhar, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Sarami Government Science College, Mammunkatte, Bhadravati. Welcome to my ninth session of the unit Lagrange's linear partial differential equations, which comes under the chapter differential equations. In the previous session, we discussed about formation of PDE from the given relation by removing the arbitrary functions. In this session, we are going to learn the nature of the Lagrange's linear partial differential equations and the solution of this type of equations. The main requirement to this session is we should know about the solution of simultaneous differential equations, because the Lagrange's linear partial differential equations are often converted into this type of equation, and therefore it is better to have the knowledge of solution of simultaneous differential equations. Let me come to the main content. Let me say about the nature of Lagrange's linear partial differential equation and the working rule to solve this type of equation. A differential equation of the type capital P into small p plus capital Q into small q is equal to R, where capital P, capital Q and capital R are functions of x, y and z. And we already know about the representation of small p and small q. Small p is del z by del x and small q is del z by del y. And this type of equation we are going to call Lagrange's linear partial differential equation. To solve this type of equation, first of all, we have to write Lagrange's auxiliary equations, which are given by dx by capital P equal to dy by capital Q equal to dz by capital R. Call this as 2. And definitely 2 is a simultaneous differential equation. And get the solution of this. We already know the solution of simultaneous differential equation contains two relations. Let those two relations are u is equal to c1 and v is equal to c2. Then the solution of one is some function of pi of u. U is the left hand side of the first relation of the solution 2, comma v. V is left hand side of second relation of the solution of 2. Pi of u is equal to 0 is the solution of 1. That means, and this is the solution of given Lagrange's linear partial differential equation. Let me go through some examples. Solve this equation. First of all, write down capital P, capital Q, capital R. Capital P is the coefficient of small p, which is y minus z by yz. Capital Q is the coefficient of small q, which is z minus x by zx. And capital R is RHS value, x minus y by xy. Lagrange's auxiliary equations are dx by capital P is this one, equal to dy by capital Q is this one, dz by capital R is this one. Here this yz comes to numerator, yz dx divided by y minus z equal to this zx comes to numerator, zx dy divided by z minus x equal to, and this xy comes to numerator, xy dz divided by x minus 1. Now it is a time to solve this simultaneous differential equation. Denominator na ಗಮನಿಸೋಣ. Denominator cyclic order ಇದೆ, and we already know the addition of cyclic order format always vanishes. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಈ ಮೂರು ಹಾಗೆ ಇರಲಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ these three are already in cyclic order. So take the first set of multipliers as 1, 1, 1. 1, 1 are this first set of multipliers. Each ratio is equal to, ಈಗ ಈ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯರ್ಸನ್ನು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಸೈಮಲ್ಟೇನಿಯಸ್ಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 1 into yz dx, yz dx plus 1 into this zx dy plus 1 into xy dz, xy dz divided by 1 into y minus z, y minus z plus 1 into z minus x, z minus x plus 1 into x minus y, x minus y. Since and this is in cyclic order, the addition vanishes. Cross multiply ಮಾಡೋಣ. yz dx plus zx dy plus xy dz equal to 0. Now separate the variables. First term with respect to x ಇದೆ, dx ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ x term ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರಬೇಕು. x term ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ yz ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ yz. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು y ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗೆ y ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರಬೇಕು. zx ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ zx. z ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆ, ದ ನ್ಯೂ ಟರ್ಮ್ x. xy ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ xy ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ದಿ ಅಬವ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬೈ yzx. Then the variables are automatically get separated. yz dx divided by xyz. yz gets cancelled. dx by x plus zx dy divided by yzx. zx gets cancelled. dy by y plus xy dz divided by this term. Now xy gets cancelled. The remaining is z. dz by z is equal to 0. The variables are separated. Now on integration, 1 by x integration log x plus 1 by y in the log y, 1 by z in the log z. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಲಾಗ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಸ್ ಲಾಗ್ c1. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಲಾಗ್ನ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಝಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಲಾಗ್ c1. ನಾವು ಲಾಗ್ ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಝಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು c1. ಕಾಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಆಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಗಮನಿಸಿದ್ರೆ, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಗಮನಿಸಿದ್ರೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್. ಅಮಾಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಝಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ವೈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ z term is missing. Therefore, take the second set of multipliers as x, y, z, so that the denominator is in cyclic order, and therefore after addition it vanishes. Choose x, y, z as the second set of multipliers. Each ratio is equal to multiply x into yz dx, xyz dx plus y into zx dy, yzx dy plus z into xy dy, zxy dy divided by xyz multipliers ಅನ್ನು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇರೋ ಟರ್ಮು ಈಗ ಸೈಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ದಿಸ್ ವ್ಯಾನಿಷಸ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಝಡ್. ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಝಡ್ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಝಡ್ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ ವೈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ ಝಡ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಝಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ ವೈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ ಝಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಝಡ್ನ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಾಗ we only have dx plus dy plus dz is equal to 0. The variables are separated. Now on integration, 1 in the integration with respect to x ಆಯಿತು, 1 in the integration with respect to y ಆಯಿತು, plus 1 in the integration with respect to z ಆಯಿತು. x plus y plus z is equal to some constant of integration c2. Call this relation as 2. Now the solution of the given equation is some function of pi of the left hand side of the first relation x y z, pi of x y z, comma the left hand side of second relation x plus y plus z is equal to 0. And this is the solution of given equation. To move on to second problem, solve this equation. First write down PQR. Lagrange's auxiliary equations are dx by p equal to dy by q is equal to dz by r. Now it is a time to solve this simultaneous differential equation. Denominator ಗಮನಿಸಿದರೆ ಇದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸೈಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 1 1 1 ಅನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 1 1 are the first set of multipliers. Each ratio is equal to 1 into dx dx plus 1 into dy dy plus 1 into dz dz divided by 1 into this plus 1 into this plus 1 into this. Cyclic order ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ it vanishes. After cross multiplication, dx plus dy plus dz is equal to 0. Variables are separated, and therefore on integration, 1 integration x plus 1 integration is equal to y y, 1 integration is equal to z to z2, x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Call this as 1. Please observe the denominator. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ x, y, z ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ the terms in the brackets are in cyclic order. ಹಾಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಝೆಡನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ 1/x ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ವೈ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ 1/y ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಝೆಡ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 1/z ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ 1/x 1/y 1/z. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯರ್ಸಿಂದ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಈ ಥರ ಆಯಿತು. ನಾವು ಇನ್ ದಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ x gets cancelled, y minus z, y gets cancelled, z minus x, z gets cancelled, x minus y. So definitely this is in cyclic order and therefore it vanishes. And after cross multiplication we have this. On integration, 1/x in the log x plus 1/y in the log y plus 1/z in the log z is equal to log c2. Log of, since plus is there, log of xyz is equal to log c2. Log gets cancelled, xyz is equal to c2. Call this as 2. Therefore, the solution of the given equation is pi of the left hand side of first relation, and which is x plus y plus z. Pi of x plus y plus z, comma, the left hand side of the second relation, which is x by z equal to 0. And this is the solution of given Lagrange's partial differential equation. There are some extra problems. Please go through this and follow the references. Thank you for watching. Thank you one and all, and see you all in the next session.